In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a color palette in Infinite Painter. Now to do this, you want to go to the bottom of your screen where you can see I have the red color, but for you it may be a different color, so tap on that. And then from here, it's going to open a palette and likely it's going to be like one of these over here, okay? So to actually add a new color palette, what you have to do is go to the very bottom where you can see a bunch of colors, and then at the top right of those colors, there's the three dots. So you want to tap on the three dots and you want to tap on new at the very top. Then from here, as you can see, it's going to be an empty color palette, and to now add colors into this, you simply can either manually do it, so you can go ahead and pick a color and then add it that way by tapping the plus button at the bottom left. You can see it's changing color. You can do it that way, or you could go and use the dropper tool at the top right, and of course pick the colors, for example, from an image. So I'm going to tap on that right now, and I'm going to pick, for example, this color over here. Now I'm going to go back to the palette, tap on the plus button over here. There we go, it's being added. Then I'm going to go and tap on this color, for example, go back, tap on the plus button, and you can just keep on repeating this, and it's going to allow you to basically add your own color palette, okay? Now, if you want to give it a name, you have to tap on the same three dots we tapped on earlier, and then tap on rename. And then from here, you can give it a name. So I'm just going to name this one, for example, tutorial, okay? There we go, like this, and I'm going to press on OK, and there we go, I have a new palette called Tutorial. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.